Harnessing the Power of News Trading in the Forex Market. Introduction. News trading is a powerful strategy that involves capitalizing on market-moving economic events and news releases to make informed trading decisions in the Forex market. As an intermediate trader, understanding how to harness the power of news trading can provide lucrative opportunities and improve overall trading performance. In this text, we will explore the concept of news trading, its benefits and risks, and effective strategies for utilizing news events in Forex trading. What is news trading? News trading, also known as event-based trading, is a trading approach that revolves around important economic announcements, central bank decisions, geopolitical events, and other news releases that impact the financial markets. Traders aim to predict the market's reaction to these events and position themselves to take advantage of significant price movements. Benefits of news trading: volatility and opportunities. News events often lead to increased market volatility, creating opportunities for significant price movements and potential profit. High probability trades. Economic events and news releases are scheduled and widely anticipated, allowing traders to plan their strategies and identify high probability trading setups. Short-term trading opportunities. News trading is commonly associated with short-term trades, allowing traders to capitalize on immediate market reactions. Risks of news trading. Slippage and spreads. During highly volatile news events, slippage and widened spreads may occur, impacting trade execution and potential profits. Market whipsaws. News events can lead to unpredictable market movements, causing whipsaws and false signals. Limited time frame. News trading requires quick decision-making and execution, which may not be suitable for all traders. Effective news trading strategies. Economic calendar. Keep a close eye on an economic calendar that highlights upcoming news releases and events. Plan your trading approach and potential trades based on the scheduled events. Focus on major news events. Concentrate on high-impact news releases such as interest rate decisions, GDP reports, employment data, and central bank announcements. These events have a significant impact on currency prices. Pre-news analysis. Analyze market sentiment and the prevailing trend before the news event. Identify key support and resistance levels and potential entry and exit points. Volatility management. Exercise caution during major news events with heightened volatility. Consider using stop limit orders or setting wider stop-loss levels to account for potential slippage. Use multiple time frames. Utilize multiple time frames to gauge the overall market sentiment and potential price reactions after the news release. Avoid trading unpredictable events. Refrain from trading during highly uncertain events like elections or unexpected geopolitical announcements that may lead to excessive volatility and erratic price movements. Analyzing price reactions. Immediate response. Be prepared for rapid price movements immediately after the news release. News traders often look for quick profit-taking opportunities shortly after the release. Assessing sentiment. Observe the market sentiment post-news event. A positive reaction to positive news or a negative reaction to negative news can offer valuable clues for further trading decisions. Be ready for whipsaws. In some cases, the initial reaction to the news may be short-lived, leading to whipsaws or reversals. Be cautious and consider waiting for a more stable price direction before entering a trade. Risk management. Position sizing. Use proper position sizing and risk management techniques to protect against potential losses during volatile market conditions. Trade within your comfort zone. Stick to trading events that align with your risk tolerance and trading expertise. Avoid overexposing yourself to the market during significant news events. Conclusion. Harnessing the power of news trading in the Forex market offers intermediate traders a valuable tool to identify high-probability trading opportunities and capitalize on market-moving events. By planning trades around major economic events, maintaining effective risk management, and analyzing price reactions carefully, news trading can provide substantial rewards. However, traders should also be aware of the risks associated with volatile market conditions during news releases and exercise caution during uncertain events. Integrating news trading strategies with a well-defined trading plan and continuous practice can enhance trading performance and lead to more consistent success in the dynamic and fast-paced Forex market.